I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
Okay guys, I am feeling myself today. Hey love bugs, welcome back to the channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley. And today we're going to be doing a super simple, easy, beginner-friendly install. This one comes courtesy of Xpink Hair. And they sent over this beautiful pre-plucked, the knots came already bleached, 200% density, 13x6 wavy texture lace wig. Now I know that was a little bit of a mouthful, but I really wanted you guys to know what you're getting into if you rock with me today. This one here is a new melted HD lace wig, and as you guys can see, lace wear. This one's going to come out super bomb. You're going to see me install it a little bit different than I normally do. We're going to install it with the lace attached, which usually I do the opposite. But this one here is the lace that we're rocking with. This is that transparent lace that we need to leave in the past. We need to get with the new times. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video. We're going to be using some products from my line to go ahead and make these waves pop as well. So go ahead and stick around if you are interested in doing this install with me. Now let's jump right into the video.
Baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come here to me, come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Don't step on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, yeah. I just caught a groove, yeah. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, yeah. Had to go right back to it, yeah. If you ain't talking about money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, yeah. I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, yeah. Hey, don't slip on the trip. No, 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 no. Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip.
Look at my neck bright. I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe. My nigga, I been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side. I'm in that new coupe. My nigga, I been fired. I get that check right. Look. Off of that side. Look. Hey, I don't do no fake love. Tell Lil' bruh shape up. The way we lit, they throwin' shade, but they never say nothing. Bitch, I'm that maze runner. I been on the stage done. My drip on Blade Runner. And the way we move, it ain't no creases on my A1s. 2021, about to be mine, word to my day ones. Niggas shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy, I learn from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. My ex is somewhat stressed, she dropped the ball, but that's so well. I just tied a knot linked to the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to be billed. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket till the bill. Quick to flip a bill, bitch, I'm about to profit. I'm a real nigga with them wheels spinning, never stopping on that boss shit. Yeah, getting top in the back seat. Fuck a critic and an analytic. Independent and we just beginning. Clearing anybody interfering. Tough loss, keep it tucked off. There's something plush, do the brush off. Free spirit, make a trust fall, right? Look at my neck bright. I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe. My nigga, I been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe.
Okay, my love bugs, we are done with the look and I am serving. I think I look so cute. So I went ahead and did something a little bit different. Actually, I did a few things a little bit the same, a little bit different along the way. So let's get started with the explanation. First of all, their packaging and the goodies. You guys know we're here for some goodies. So this was the box from Xpink Hair. Now this, I believe, I could be wrong, but I think this is my first time working with this company. Whenever it's the first time working with the company, I'm always a little bit nervous because I've definitely received so many wigs from new companies where we agree to cooperate. They send the wig, they agree to, you know, sponsor me. And I get the wig and it's like, there's no way I can put this wig on camera and finesse and make this look great. You have to take this back. I can't. So this one, when I seen it and I opened up the packaging, I'd already seen the lace and I could just already tell we were going to be here. This was going to be an amazing look. They did give me 2 pieces of lace. I'm going to share that in just a moment. But this is the free little goodie box. I'm not sure if this comes with every package or if it's like an option to like pay a little bit extra. I just feel like I look so good. But inside the packaging, you do get like a rat tail comb. You get wig caps. I think this is a bonnet. What is this? Yeah, a bonnet cap and a bag. I think it's like a navy blue color. And then from there, you get 2 red dolphin clips. I think they're called dolphin clips. That's what I call them. A set or a pair of really nice little silver earrings, or like seashell kind of inspired type of thing. It would be really cute for a little cha-cha-cha moment with this look. A beautiful butterfly necklace, definitely on trend. And then a pair of really nice full and fluffy lashes. So one thing I like that I did was that I did go in with the shapers instead of my typical wax stick. I wanted to switch it up. Now it took everything out of me not to grab the wax stick because there were just a little bit of like flyaways. You guys know when you use a wax stick, it melts everything down, especially paired with the electric hot comb. It just does a superb job of making this area here just flat. It makes that hairline and that parting look super snatched. It makes everything look amazing. And so with the shapers, it was doing a good job, but you like what you like, and it's a routine for me because it works. So what I did was when I went in with the hair, I brought out my mousse. So you guys haven't seen my mousse in a while. This comes from my line and it's called the Hold and Shine Mousse. You can find this on bedeckbeauty.com. I'll have it linked in the description box. And what I like about this is that this product does exactly what it says. It gives a nice shine to the hair and it gives a hold. So if you've ever seen somebody do a wash and go on their natural hair, you know sometimes they want a little bit of a hold, like a gel or a product that's gonna add a little hold on top of like whatever cream conditioners and styling products they may have used, because on that first day it kind of helps the hair to define and kind of get a little bit more firm, and then over the days it'll kind of soften up. And that's kind of like with this product, the more cream or water you use, the less crunch it'll give. But I like it because it gives that crunch. Now, I did mention to you guys that I was going to introduce a couple more products to the line. We've been busy behind the scenes trying to perfect everything. I think for launch 2, I want to make sure everything is perfect. So it's taking a little bit longer than expected, but there's definitely going to be some heat coming, hopefully by the summertime. But for now, I really love that. And because I didn't use the wax stick, I feel like that mousse came in to save the day, and it kind of made everything up here flat and smooth and snatched, exactly how the wax stick would have done. So we did opt for a side part. I really wanted to show off the hairline and how invisible it is. I did have to go in with my poof and kind of just go in and like clean up the hairline because I did get a little bit messy with this. I should have used my glueless product from my line because this gives it's a lighter hold, but it's a clean hold. This one was a little bit more messy because it's a liquid and it kind of runs, and that's why it looked a little bit messy along the hairline. But have no fear, I kind of just cleaned it up with a foundation powder, and we are good to go. This one is 200% density body wave, and it's 20 inches in length, 13x6 melted HD lace clean hairline. And as I did mention, they did bleach the knots and they did pre-pluck the wig. And then they also did include this here, which is 2 sample pieces of lace. This here is transparent lace. You're no stranger to this. You guys know I do this all the time. Transparent lace typically gives off a more ashy vibe, and when you try to bond it down and stick it, usually will lift a little bit easier in my experience. And then this is the new melted HD lace, and then I'll do a side by side. As you guys can see, this one kind of melts. You can't see like where it stops and ends right here, whereas this one all the way around you can see exactly where it is. And side by side, it's just a no-brainer that this one is better. So this is what it looks like. This is the lace we're wearing. This is transparent lace. Obviously, this is the better lace. It sticks down. You don't see those bubble pockets you see with the transparent lace. It melts into the skin and blends effortlessly. And overall, it's just a great match whereas this one here, you'll have to do a little bit more finesse to make it work. I'm gonna hold this down tonight is with my melt belt. That is also from my line. Be sure to check that out. I'm Ashley Bedeck. If you're tuning in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Xpink Hair. I'll have a direct link to this wig in the description box. You'll find also everything you need, everything we used in this video. The top here is from Shein. Hopefully my tatas are not showing, but thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.